Welcome to this video on drilling down and hierarchies. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. Drilling down can mean a couple things in Tableau. Usually, it means expanding out a hierarchy, thereby drilling down to the next level of detail. We'll address hierarchy drill down for the majority of this video. Alternatively, sometimes drill down can mean going all the way down and looking at the raw data. This is very easy in Tableau. Either click this icon here in the data pane to see the underlying source data, or for a specific mark in the view, click to bring up the tooltip's command buttons, click the same icon, and go to the Full Data tab. The command buttons can be turned off in the tooltip to prevent access to this feature in published workbooks if desired. But let's assume we want to easily expand out a series of dimensions to drill down, such as category to subcategory to product name, or country to state to city. Multi-dimensional data sources are limited to their pre-built hierarchies, but if the data source allows it, it's easy to build a hierarchy right in the data pane. Here we see there's already a clear relationship between category and subcategory. In the data pane, to build a hierarchy, all we have to do is select whatever field we want as the next level down, subcategory, and drag it on top of the first level field, category. We'll name this products, and it's that easy. The first thing to note is that here in the pill in the view, there's now a minus sign. Clicking that will roll up our hierarchy, and now it's a plus to indicate there are more levels. Clicking on the plus expands it out. What if we want to make this go further? We can add product name to the hierarchy simply by dragging the field in the data pane underneath subcategory. Note the line showing where it will go. We can also rearrange the order simply by dragging the fields around in the hierarchy. Even though the hierarchy has multiple levels, we can still manipulate each level independently. We can remove subcategory from the view so that it just has category and product name. Note though, if we roll back up and drill down again, the view will redefault to whatever the hierarchy is in the data pane. What if we realize we don't want the drill down functionality anymore? We can either remove a field from the hierarchy simply by clicking and dragging it out, or we can right-click and remove the hierarchy altogether. Let's undo that, though. There may be instances when it's useful to have a field in a hierarchy, but also be able to use it on its own. For example, perhaps we want to create a high-level view, where drilling down to the lowest level of granularity could negatively impact performance without adding to the analysis. We want to be able to use a specific field without the drill down option. Simply right-click on the field, select Duplicate, and then use that field in the view. Now it has no drill down capabilities. Date fields, depending on their level of granularity, are automatically brought into the view as hierarchies. Here, when we bring out order date, it already has a plus sign, indicating that we can drill down. If the dates in the data are in a standard format, including year, month, and day, Tableau will recognize automatically the additional layer of quarters and build that out. As always, we can remove an individual pill that we don't want in the view. The default pill type for a date field is discrete, and a discrete date hierarchy will have a different pill for each date part. However, if we right-click and drag out the date, or change the pill type from the drop-down menu, we can select a continuous date instead. Continuous dates still have the same drill-down functionality, but each drill-down updates the pill to the next level down instead of creating a new pill, because continuous dates by definition cannot be considered as separate date parts. To drill back up, open the drop-down menu by clicking on the caret in the pill and selecting the desired level. Thank you for watching this video on hierarchies and drilling down. We invite you to continue with the free training videos to learn more about using Tableau.